welcome guys, another video from Classic Games United, right? And tonight I'm doing this tutorial at 10:02 p.m. As I promised you, I'll do a tutorial on the Need Speed Underground one that came out in 2003. So tonight I'm gonna do the tutorial, right? So it's gonna be a short and simple tutorial. I did a tutorial on this already, but it's with the old launcher. So this is like an updated tutorial for 2025, right, using the new netplay launcher. All right, so let's just jump into that, right? All right guys, so for this tutorial you're gonna need the Need for Speed, the netplay underground launcher, right? The for Speed underground netplay launcher. Alright, now it's simple, right? I will show you all how to download it, and hopefully you will just have to click the update. The update will be below here. Click the update and you'll update it, right? So basically what you want to do is you have to get a copy of the game and you have to patch it, right? The latest patch. Alright, if you need help, I will put the I'll put a Discord server that you could join and get help to set up the launcher if you're having any other problems while watching this tutorial, but you shouldn't have any problems after watching this tutorial, right? So it's simple and easy. What you want to do, make sure you download the launcher, select which server you want right here. Alright, choose which one you want. So you just click on it, click on it, and then you'll click apply server, and then you will start the game from here. Alright, now I'm gonna show you how to install it right now. Okay, I'll be back guys. Alright guys, so I'm back, right? What you want to do, just go to any browser of your choice, type in Need for Speed Underground 1 Kickstart, and you will see here, just click on it, or you could click on this, right? And then you will just download the file. Alright, download it and let's open it. All right, now what you want to do is go to your game, which is right here. Make sure you open back up this. I already have the files copied, so I don't have to copy everything over, but you will just drag everything here and drag and drop, and it will update your game with the files that you need, right? So it's that simple guys. I don't have to show you, this is straightforward. You just copy the files, put it where the game exe is, and then you launch the kickstart exe. Right, so remember I show you how to set up your server. I'm going to set a server now, and I'm going to go into the game and show you what else you need to do, right? So pick the server of your choice. I want to use Speedway Online PlayStation 2. You will go with this one here, select it, click apply server. Alright, apply your server, and you want to start the game from here. All right, select your language. I'm using a different version of the game that with the music has been modded. If you want this version of the game, then I'll put the Discord server for you to join. Alright guys, I have to make sure and load on the volume because they wouldn't hear me. Alright, so to play online now, you just go and click on play online. Alright, you have to create a new account, or you could use another account. So let's create a new, just click on online username. Maybe I don't know which one you could choose, but it's best to create a new account. Just now create a new account. Right, enter account name. I would just put CGURSER, any name. Then you'll put your password, like any password. Then click on continue. Set your date of birth. This I will leave it as this. Alright, so you will just click on use, the use here, and then you'll create a username for yourself. You could call it anything. RE. Alright, so now you're online now guys. So that is how you'll set up the for speed for online. You could choose any car you want. And to say connecting, you could choose well, for now you could select your car, which car you want. Alright, choose your car, click on rank game, and then here just press enter, and once the person is hosting, you'll be able to connect online and play. Alright guys, so this is how you will play online. Alright, click on create game. Let's click on create game again, and then you can just click on start. So, and of course you don't have enough players to join, but once you have another player here, you will be able to start your game, or if somebody is hosting and you join them, you will be able to play with them. So this is how you will play Need for Speed Underground Online in 2025. It's very simple, very short and simple tutorial guys, not too long. So I hope that this will help you guys to have fun with your friends and stuff. If you need help, I will put my Discord server that you could join, and I'll be able to help you with the game or whatever. Alright, so this is it for tutorial guys, very short and simple, easy to do. If you need help with anything, then you could join the Discord server. Thanks for watching guys, and Classic Games United out.